This is the no-nonsense guide to conjunction, sometimes called and introduction. Let's go! Conjunction is a valid inference rule that looks like this. P, Q. Therefore, both P and Q. The model shows a pattern, a form. The first thing is true. The second thing is true. So you may infer both the first and second thing are true. A statement using and is called a conjunction. Each part on either side is called a conjunct. Conjunction says, when one statement is true and another statement is true, you may infer the conjunction containing both. Jan left the party. Tom left the party. So, both Jan and Tom left the party. Using symbols, box, circle. Therefore, box and circle. The box and circle example shows that P and Q can really stand for anything. For example, if Jan went, then Casey didn't. Neither Bob nor Sally went. Therefore, if Jan went, then Casey didn't, and neither Bob nor Sally went. It looks messy, but the pattern is simple. Here's how it looks in symbolic logic, a natural deduction proof. If Jan went, then Casey didn't. Neither Bob nor Sally went. So we can infer, if Jan went, then Casey didn't, and neither Bob nor Sally went, using conjunction on lines 1 and 2. Or as some textbooks call it, conjunction introduction on lines 1 and 2. See the structure? The first thing is true. The second thing is true. So you can infer the conjunction of the two. Conjunction only works when each statement you need appears as a standalone line in the proof. But beginners often try to take something from another line that isn't actually free, because it's locked inside a larger formula. The J is available on its own line. That's fine. But T is not. It's trapped inside a conditional, so you cannot just reach in and grab it for conjunction. Instead, each conjunct you use must appear on a previous line, standing alone and independent. Conjunction is a valid deductive form that creates a conjunction, an and statement, with a conjunct on each side. Arguments can be much more complex and still count as conjunction as long as they keep the same structure. To avoid error, remember, conjunction only works when you already have both parts independently. They can't be locked into other formulas. Found this useful? Hit like, subscribe, and keep learning in the No Nonsense playlist.